Friends, if you want to take approval of share a sale with simple copy and paste method, then you must watch this video till the end. Before getting started with today's video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, as here I share many valuable content on make money online, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. But before that, if you are also unable to rank your website on the first page or on the first position of Google, then you must try the premium SEO tool by Domain Racer. Now for availing that, you must purchase a hosting plan, which is shared hosting plan. Now if you scroll down and go in the shared hosting part, you will be easily able to see that they're offering many best services and the plans are very affordable, as you can see, starting at just rupees 59 rupees per month. But if you want a premium SEO tool for free, then you must pick one hosting plan among these plans: personal plan, silver plan and advanced plan. As you can see over here, they are offering you premium SEO tool for 100% free in order to rank your website on the first page or on the first position of Google. So what you are waiting for, my dear friends? Just follow the link which is given in the description and come over this website to purchase a hosting plan that suits you the best. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome video. So friends, today in this video I am not going to tell you anything about any CPA offer or any affiliate program. Today in this video I am going to tell you that how I got share a sale approval in just 15 minutes, simple copy and paste method. And in this video I will also tell you that how you can also take approval of share sale with simple copy and paste method. So this video is going to be very informative and very helpful for all those who haven't get share sale approval. Now if you want to take share sale approval, then you must follow the link which is given in the description to take approval fast, because the strategy which I am going to share you in today's video is awesome and you can easily follow that strategy and can take share sale approval in just minutes. Okay, you can easily take its approval. And today in this video I am also going to show you the proof that how I got share sale approval in just 15 minutes. Alright, so watch this video till the end without skipping a single second, as if you will miss a single second then you are going to miss a lot, then you are going to miss that strategy which I am going to show you in today's video. So first of all, I will show you the proof that how I got share sale approval. Okay, I will show you the email proof and then I will show you that method and that website which helped me to take share sale approval very fast, and then I will also tell you some more information that will help you to take share sale approval. Alright, so just be with me and watch this video till the end. So as you can see over here, I am on my webmail. Basically it is a business email. Alright, so as you can see over, first of all let me show you that I have applied for share sale application program on Friday 1951, which means at 7:51 p.m. So let me open this message. So as you can see over here, I have applied for share sale, which means that I have simply created account of share sale at 7:51 p.m. which means 1951, and 14 minutes later, as you can see, share sale welcome series 25, which means 8:05 p.m. So as you can see over here, the email has arrived in my inbox at 8:05 p.m. which means 14 minutes later, not even 15 minutes, 14 minutes later, an email has arrived in my inbox. As you can see, welcome to share sale. We are thrilled that you have joined the share sale affiliate marketing network. Over the next several weeks, our new publishers interface training series will be sent directly to your inbox. So it is good that they will guide me how to do affiliate marketing on their network. Alright, so you have seen the proof with your eyes and it is not a screenshot. Let me refresh it so that you can believe it. It is not a screenshot, it is really an email which has arrived in my inbox regarding share sale approval. Alright. Now let me tell you that what is the website and which is that website on which category that helped me to take share sale approval in just 14 minutes or in just 15 minutes with simple copy and paste method. So as you can see over here, it is this website which helped me to take share sale approval. As you can see, Zoroish.com. I will share its link in the description. If you want to analyze it, you can analyze. Okay. Now first of all, let me share this website with you, which type of website it is and how I made this website. Alright. So as you can see, best place for true beginners to start their online career in easy steps. Alright. So here are some latest blog posts. Basically, it is a homepage which I have designed using Thriver WP plugin. But if you can't afford this much to build a website on WordPress, then you can go with Blogger. It is free, 100% free. Alright, so as you can see over here, hosting services and some email marketing blogs, and here also some email marketing services, and here some more blogs regarding comparison. Okay. So let me tell you that it is a website of comparing hosting plans and hosting services or email marketing services. Okay. So as you can see over here, it is divided in two parts: hosting services and email services. So as you can see over here, these are all hosting services. Basically, it is not the blog page. It is a page which I have designed using Thrive WP plugin. And as you can see in the email services, I have designed this. Okay, but the main part is the blog one, because they really see the content of the website, which is this one blog part. And as you can see over here, latest post published, which means that as you can see over here, how many blog posts are there? 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3, which means 12 posts per page. As you can see over, more than 4 pages are there. As you can see, there are many pages. Okay, 4 pages are there. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. And now let me show you the total number of blog posts. So let me come in my dashboard, and it is basically a WordPress dashboard. You must know if you have WordPress dashboard or WordPress website. So as you can see, total of 40 blog posts I have published on this website Zoroish.com. As you can see over here, 14 blog posts. Okay, so let me cut this. Now let me tell you that if you don't have budget to make a WordPress website, purchase hosting, then what you can do is just simply you can build a website on Blogger. Suppose if I search over here, Blogger is basically a platform by Google. It is absolutely good. I have started with this platform, and it is providing you free hosting also. So all you can do is just simply create a blog. First of all, you have to create new blog, and then you have to put post. Okay, you have to put blog post, and you can just install a free theme also, or you can just install a custom free theme also if you want. Now after doing that, all you need to do is simply put more and more blog posts. Now you can put 30 to 40 blog posts to take approval fast, and if you want to put more blog posts, you can do this. But wait, my dear friends, you don't have to write blog posts by your own. What you need to do is just simply copy and paste. Now what do you think? I have written all these blog posts by my own, all these 40 blog posts by my own. No, my dear friend, it is absolutely wrong. Now what I did is just simply copy all these blogs and paste it in my website. Okay, suppose let me show you by an example. Suppose Bluehost versus GoDaddy. Okay, it is a keyword, and suppose if I search over here, Bluehost, wait a minute, Bluehost versus GoDaddy. Okay, as it is a review keyword, so as you can see over here, what you need to do is simply leave the top 20 or top 25 website and come down. And as you can see over here, as soon as you come down, you can see that there are many blog posts available over here. Like if I open this, Bluehost versus GoDaddy, which is better for your blog. Now all you can do is just simply copy this blog. It is 100% legal. You will not get any copyright strike and all that. Okay, it is legal. You can do this, and you just simply need to copy all these blogs and you have to paste it in your WordPress website. Okay, you have to first simply click on add new if you are using WordPress, but if you are using Blogger, then you can just simply post a blog post there also. It is very good. And as you can see over here, you have to paste 30 to 40 blog posts in your blog, in your website. It depends up to you how much blog post you can copy. See, copying is one of the best and easy way, and you can just simply take approval of ShareSale with this method, and it is this method which helped me to take ShareSale approval in just 15 minutes. And you can copy a blog post within a 5 minutes also, but don't forget to remove the links. As you can see over here, there are many links on this blog post, so you have to remove all these links. Okay, before publishing it, you have to remove all these links. Like I will show you one of my blog posts. See, as you can see over here, you will not find any links over here because I have removed all the links on this blog post, because I don't want to rank these blog posts on Google, and it will not rank also because it is a copied content. That's why they will not rank on Google. Alright, so my intention was not to rank on Google. My intention is just only and only to take ShareSale approval and start doing affiliate marketing with the help of this ShareSale affiliate network. Alright, so let me cut this, and I hope that you have understood this method of simply copying and pasting the post. Now it depends up to you how much beautiful you make your website. Okay, like if you want to design a homepage, so for this you need to go with WordPress. As in Blogger you can't design a custom page. Okay, you just simply need to go with the theme they are providing you. And but in WordPress you are free to make anything. Custom page, you can design custom blog page, and even you can design custom blog post also. So it is the best platform to build your website. But then also, if you don't have budget, you can simply go with blog post, because they are not asking the beauty of a website, they are just asking the content of a website. They just want more and more content. Okay, ShareSale want more and more content, and that is the reason that they will give you approval. Now don't think that I got approval in just 15 minutes and you will also get approval in just 15 minutes. You have to wait, at least you have to wait for 24 hours. Alright, so that you can get a such type of email. Okay, so you have to wait at least 24 hours also, because they are telling that 24 to 40 hours we will email you. But luckily I got ShareSale approval within just 15 minutes. Okay, by following this simply copy and paste methods. So it is this method that helped me to take ShareSale approval within just 15 minutes. And it will also help you, believe me. So you must go with this method. Now at the end, let me show you that ShareSale account which I have got approval. As you can see over here, currently balance is 0.00 because I have got this approval 2 days before only. And as you can see, it's okay, you have just joined it. And as you can see over here, as soon as I got approval of ShareSale, I have applied for SimilarWeb. Okay, and as you can see the result, I have got its approval, SimilarWeb affiliate program, which is my favorite because it is paying you $10 for this free sign up, and for trial sign up they are paying you $50 commission. So it is one of the highest paying CPA commission, and it is one of the best CPA offer, and luckily it is my favorite CPA offer. So I would like to share you one story with this SimilarWeb. Let me share you. Now as soon as I got approval of ShareSale, I have applied for SimilarWeb. Alright, but almost 24 hours ago I haven't received any update or any email regarding the SimilarWeb approval or SimilarWeb decline. So what I did is just simply I have contacted this SimilarWeb merchant. As you can see over here, now many people are commenting on my videos that their SimilarWeb application is under review for 5 days, for 10 days, for 1 month, for 1 year, for 10 years. And they feel sad because of their application under review. Now the very first solution for this problem is just you need to contact this merchant. Okay, suppose if you're not getting SimilarWeb approval and it is showing you under pending, which means pending approval, so what you can do is just simply click on contact, and you have to contact this merchant, and you have to write the subject of the content and like eagerly waiting for approval or pending approval. It depends up to you. Now this is the most important part because you have to convince them. Now how you would convince them? First of all, you should say that I have applied for your affiliate program, but I haven't received any update regarding approval or decline. Okay, and then you have to say that I am in affiliate marketing industry and I am earning from it. If you're earning, then only say you are earning. If you are a beginner, then you must say that you are a beginner and looking for your affiliate program so that I can also make money online in affiliate marketing. And you have to convince them that you like their CP offer and want to join the affiliate program. program. So it is good. So in this way you can easily get approval. Now when I contact this merchant, within 6 hours I got the approval of share of this Similarweb affiliate program, and the result is in front of you. It is not a screenshot. As you can see, Similarweb affiliate program, it is giving me $10 for just free sign up and $50 for trial sign up. Okay, as you can see, which means sale only, $50 per sale and $10 per lead commission. And the best part about this offer is it is worldwide. You can easily promote it wherever you want. Okay, so in this way I got the approval of Similarweb by contacting this merchant, and by simply copying and pasting the blocks I got the approval of ShareSale within just 15 minutes. So all you need to do is simply copy the blog post of others regarding the CPA offers which you want approval, and after copying it you just simply need to paste in your website, like in your WordPress website or in your Blogger website. It totally depends up to you. And then after making your website, okay, after making a good website, after putting more and more good content, what you can do is just simply apply for ShareSale affiliate network and just wait for approval. Okay, and I hope that this trick will help you to get ShareSale approval. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.